Hi, I'm Paul from ICS. Following the launch of our new intelligent charging range, we're here to answer some frequently asked questions. The first one is a simple one. How do you remove the backplate? And we're going to show on screen now just how simple that is. The next question is, how do you remove the front cover? How do you insert a SIM card? How do you set up the Wi-Fi?
Once they've signed in, the user will be allowed to do certain configuration. So on the offline mode, that is set to false. So that means then that is connected to either the Lite app or the full-blown software. They can make that false, or sorry, can make that true, which will be then actually offline. They can also disable the DHCP, which is got an Ethernet cable that can be disabled if required. If they've changed service provider, or if they've changed the router Wi-Fi password, that can be changed here. Or if they've changed service provider, they will need to delete the text, scan, select the correct Wi-Fi router, and ensure the password is correct. If they want to change the Wi-Fi password of the actual charger to stop people being able to log in and accessing their charger, they would do that here. Once they've completed the changes, they would need to click submit and make sure the configuration is succeed. If you're going to configure the charger to the ICS 2.0 full subscription software, the following details need to be entered. Under basic, the server domain name needs to be chargepointservicej.greenflux.nl. The server point needs to be 80. The OCCP server URL has to be 20WS, and the identity has to match the label on the side of the unit. Scroll down, click Submit, ensure it succeeds. If you want to configure the actual EV charger to the ICS2 Lite app, the following details and fields need to be entered correctly. Under Basic, the server domain name is ics.aedivision.co.uk. The OCPP server port needs to be 9103. The server URL has to be OCPP/central system service with a capital C, capital S, capital S. The OCPP identity has to match the serial number on this product label of the actual unit. Once you've completed that, click Submit.
How to pair the charger to the app. How do you pair RFID cards? How to set up a charge schedule. And the last question, how to update the charger via the app.